Hello, friends. Um, this is for everyone. This is a win. This is a partner, Calroy. We've been working with them. They have a great product called Arterosil. I suggest you learn about it. They add in this specific seaweed, which fortifies the glycocalyx. I've talked about the glycocalyx in my presentation. And when it's worn down like this, either from too high a metabolic load on the sugar, too much insulin going through the arteries, we'll wear this out. Glycocalyx can be rebuilt, putting this seaweed down like astroturf, so the grass can grow through it. You know that the spinning blood causes issues. And so the reason this is all happening is we're sending you a case of Arterosil with some sales materials to explain this to your doctors. Remember, you have these materials on selling carotid IMT, and that's for new clients that you brought on. But we also have this relationship with Calroy where they have 3 products, 2 that you're concerned about right now. First one is Arterosil. This is the one they've had the longest. It's got the beet powder. It doesn't have the beet powder in it. It has the glycocalyx support, the seaweed, which is really good. Vascanox has beet powder and a bunch of other things, turmeric, which help with the lining. I do believe in this product. It does work. It is a little bit spendy, but it's very much worth it.